For decades, Canada has been a top destination for immigrants, attracting individuals from around the world with its promise of opportunity and growth. However, recent trends show that some permanent residents are reconsidering their move, with a noticeable number choosing to return to their home countries. Insights from Punjab, India, a significant source of Canadian migrants, shed light on these changes. Punjab, known for its rich culture and fertile lands, has long been a major contributor of immigrants to Canada. While Punjabis form one of the largest diaspora communities in Canada, some are now returning to India. For example, a young man who moved to Toronto with the goal of obtaining Canadian citizenship returned to Punjab after just 1 year. He found it challenging to cope with high living costs and inflation despite working long hours, reflecting a broader trend where financial pressures are prompting many immigrants to rethink their stay in Canada. In towns like Winda, where many young people actively seek opportunities abroad, there is still considerable interest in immigration. However, the number of Indian students applying to Canadian universities has declined sharply. This drop follows widespread protests over the high cost of living and housing shortages in Canada. In response, the Canadian government has introduced measures to address these issues, including increased financial requirements for international students and a temporary cap on new student permits. Canada's historical slowdown in large-scale housing development has contributed to the current shortage, complicating the situation further. For some, like Gur, who achieved career success in Canada, the appeal of a more relaxed rural life in India has become increasingly attractive. Gur has returned to Punjab after 15 years and started an online consultancy to assist others exploring opportunities back home. He notes a growing interest from Canadians seeking advice on job prospects and living conditions in Punjab. Despite the relatively small number of returnees, these trends reveal a more nuanced picture of opportunities abroad versus those at home. India continues to be a major source of Canadian migrants, but evolving circumstances are leading some to reassess their futures. At Go Canada Visas, we understand that navigating immigration can be complex and that everyone's situation is unique. Our expert consultants are here to provide personalized support and guidance, whether you are considering moving to Canada or exploring opportunities back home. Visit GoCanadaVisas.com to learn more about how we can assist you in achieving your immigration goals.